Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a failing valve body and it's time to rebuild it or replace it? So the valve body contains a lot of different parts. For example, it contains the governor valve, vacuum valve, kick down valve, pressure regulator valve, shuttle valve, shift valve, throttle valve, and so on. If any of these parts start to fail, it can definitely affect the valve body and you're going to notice all sorts of symptoms. The first and most common symptom that you know that the valve body is failing in an automatic transmission is going to be banging noise. You're going to hear a banging noise when the transmission starts to shift. You're going to hear a banging noise when you back up your vehicle. You're going to hear a banging noise at lower speed. The next sign that you know that your valve body is failing is going to be shift issue. For example, your transmission may shift on its own. It may downshift on its own, or it may upshift on its own. Or it may have trouble upshifting. It may also have trouble downshifting. The next sign that you know that your valve body is failing is going to be poor shifting. For example, you may notice harsh shifting, delay shifting, erratic shifting, and so on. The next sign that you know that your valve body is failing is going to be your transmission is shifting at the incorrect time. For example, if you're driving, let's say about 35 miles per hour, your transmission should be in second gear. And if it's at first gear, or let's say a fourth gear, then it's at the wrong gear. So that's how you know your valve body may need to be inspected. The next sign that you know that your valve body might be bad is going to be your transmission is slipping. If your transmission is slipping and you notice that the RPM is suddenly jumping and your vehicle is not quite going forward, either your valve body is failing or you might have bad shift solenoid. The next sign that you know that your valve body might be failing is going to be slow response. If you're driving and the gear is shifting very slowly, that is a sign that your valve body might need to be checked out. I know it is confusing that all the symptoms I just mentioned is the same symptom that a bad shift solenoid would make. But the biggest giveaway that you know that you do have a bad valve body issue, again, is going to be banging noise. You're going to hear a banging noise when your vehicle is slowing down and when you're stepping on the brake pedal. Also, if you hear banging noise coming from the transmission area when you're accelerating or when you're backing up, that's another indicator that the valve body is bad. Why do valve body fail? The number one reason is going to be very dirty transmission fluid. Dirty transmission fluid can clog the passages in the valve body and it can cause blockage. It will cause the shift solenoid and various parts to starve for transmission fluid. If you have bad valve body, it is better to replace the valve body than to replace your transmission. Changing a valve body may take maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours to replace it. And if you change the transmission, that's going to cost you a lot of money. So it's better just to change your valve body. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thanks for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Repairs.